Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So let me show you the difference between of new feature, motion tracking of faces or objects, whatever you select. The difference between precise, suitable for dynamic objects tracking, and artificial intelligence, which you can use but you always need the internet. For example, you just tracked with internet, and after you turn off the program, after 1 hour you turn on again, and it asks you again, you need internet. So no internet, no possibility to track with artificial intelligence alternative method. So let me show you the difference of quality between a precise and alternative method of artificial intelligence. So I need to put a video again because I can't. I can. Let me probably check. Okay, so how we do it? We click in the left corner, we select slow motion, we decrease the speed of the video for the tracking to be more precise. Then we select, also we can do this like for background, not for persons or animals. So then we go to highlight and conceal. This is the point where you can find a motion tracking feature. So, and mask feature. So I take a mask, for example this one. Here properties of the mask. So we just resize the mask as we need. Okay, more or less good. So I put it only on one person, not on the second one that is at the table. So what I do then? I then click on motion tracking, and then I select precise method and then track. Then lock the face. So you see. Now I'm going to make a pause and turn on internet. Now you see how it is with general use. Now I reset, and now our internet is connected, but you probably need to close the program. It's working here, but here still okay. Now I click artificial intelligence alternative method, and we have this one mask, and it's tracking. Now you will see the difference. Okay, it's done. Now I can return the video in a motion from slow to the original one 100%, but I am going to show you sample at 50% of original speed. You see, didn't block the face, 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 didn't block the face.